We're fixing everything, and today I have a steam iron that is not working properly, Philips GC6310. Problem is that after it works for a couple of minutes, it stops letting power. You need to hear that click 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 noise for the solenoid valve to let the steam through, even with the boiler kicking in. Nothing. So what we're gonna do, we'll stop it from the power. We'll stop the whole thing actually. I'll unplug it, yeah. And now we'll see. Some kind of Torx, maybe T15 or T20. Let's see. Nope. Wedged in a flathead screwdriver, so I can take it out. So you can see how. And what is it then? There is a security side on it, so that's why. No problem. See now. Okay, we got two cables. This one and this one, and we'll see. If they make any contact. There we go, just like that. And this actually powers up the whole thing. So if we just take it out, we will measure if this button is the problem or the solenoid valve. Good. Four ohms. 1 ohm or 4. Let's see if you plug it in the power, if it's going to click or not. Be very careful, because this one is nothing, because this line is live. Okay, you need to dismantle the bottom to get to the valve. Okay, so it will need to be disassembled. I'll wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll turn it around now. And there is some screws exactly the same type as this one, which means that it will be hard for me to get them with this screwdriver, don't you think? Yeah. So I need to go and take the correct thing, take them out. All the screws removed. Keep in mind this is very hot. So now what can we do? Keep this one like this, make sure this one, does it look? Yeah, this one looks a little bit on the loose side. Let's turn it on and see if it clicks. Okay, so now I'll switch it off. And what I'm gonna do, I'll take some pliers and I'll try to squeeze the connection here for the this one, so it's not that loose. Switched off? Yeah, switched off. Oh. Okay, let's see now. I'm not sure you can see that well, but should be good. Okay. It's so hot, everything is so hot right now. No? How can I have it then? There you go. It will get there. It's okay now, looks like. Let's do a little bit more ironing and see if it continues to be okay or not. Aha. There is a little problem. Okay, just leave it then. So I don't think it's a problem with the iron and cabling. I think it's a connection problem. What is that thing that is clicking? I don't know. I don't think I had anything making sound before, so just check again. There was a screw right here, so just tighten it a little bit. Good. Let's see again. This one here. And then what was it on the bottom, yeah? Maybe on the bottom first. And then on the top, huh? Just like that. Okay, let's do a little bit of ironing. And we'll see if it's better or not. If it's not good enough, I'll solder it in place and it will still work. Okay, so it does work. And let me show you. This works very nicely. Perfect. Maybe a trouser now? Is that how you call it, trouser? Maybe. On the front. Do you iron on the back and the front when you iron, or? It's only one side, I don't know. Last time, when I did two trousers, it stopped working, so definitely a contact issue. What was it? After it heats up on the prong, the temperature actually makes the metals expand, so the leg or the connector was expanding and was losing the connectivity with the solenoid valve. So when we did the little magic with the plier, when we squished the connector, we actually made it a better connection, so it's not expanding and it's not losing the connectivity when it's heating up. But it will definitely need an hour of firing just to make sure it's working fine, because we don't want to stop when we return it. There we go. So keep ironing, and if it stops, we'll continue with the video, but for now I think we can say it's done. How do I put this one like that? Okay, for now, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I will see you on to the next one. And I will not forget to put the bolts on the bottom.